Comparing ourselves to others often leaves us feeling frustrated, anxious, and paralyzed about moving forward. Whenever you focus on what other people have that you don't, you give away your energy. So, take back your power from all the people, places, and situations where you have left it and bring it back home. Decide that your energy will be used for believing, not doubting, and for creating, not destroying. Focus on you. Focus on watering your grass and building your path. Focus on being the best that you can be and share that with the rest of us.